Makana kwa wanya.
Give me my money.
You must know where the person is. I will deal with you.
I go scatter you. Give me my money.
I'm not ordinary pastor.
Pastor.
Touch not the anointed man of God. What happened now? What happened? Leave him now. What kill you?
You want to enter into this trouble?
Kill you now. What is it?
This one. He carry me for now. You don't give me money.
You carry for now. Wait now. Wait. Pastor.
I will carry something.
See what happened.
Wait now.
I will deal with you. Allow me to talk.
Me?
Don't
see. You go give me my money.
Calm down. Wait. Calm down.
See what happened, man. Yesterday night, he get us body they do me. I'm a pastor, yes, but it doesn't mean anything.
What happened now? Calm down.
Leave my throat too.
Wait.
My money, I don't need this way when they speak. Now English when they speak now. Make them give me my
money.
Now
make me explain. Make I know how I go take
I carry this girl yesterday night. Before I carry her, I said, I hope. Okay, yes. Now
talk well now.
When we get inside the house, I don't see any drop of water. Everywhere they dry. So in this moment, she's expecting me to pay her completely. Why not? Okay, say me, brother Jude. Just listen.
If you not talk well, Okay. Now you go. You go here. Don't worry. Don't try.